Okay, so bakit nga daw ba kailangan pa yung digital marketing sa businesses? Okay? Unang-una, importante na dapat alam natin na may experience tsaka may proven track record yung kukuhanin nating marketer, digital marketing team, or individual, of course. Ang kinagandahan nito is we've collaborated and worked with various companies and organizations and even events para to increase their sales or increase their brand awareness para to make sure na kung ano man yung kailangan i-promote at kailangan na magkaroon ng additional sales, yun yung tinututukan natin plus the target audience. And of course, the creative that's done and the content around that brand. Alright? So of course, importante rin na merong guaranteed din na performance. Ang nakikita natin is around 150% up to 250% as the usual increase sa sales. Of course, depende sa budget, minsan mas malaki pa. Okay? Pag pinag-usapan natin is upper limits ng 6 digits, 500k and above. Of course, merong yung karampatan na 7-digit increase sa sales. Yun ang kinagandahan yan. Importante na kayang implement and naintindihan yung data analytics for that scenario. So if you have any questions, consultation is free. We'd like to hear from you. Just comment down below and we can assist you. See you soon.